Hello. Welcome to the last lesson on organizing information. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about timelines. So, a timeline is a way that we can organize information about things that happened over a period of time. All right, so they're made up of course, a line. And along that line, you'll have information about things that happened at different periods of time. So these are always organized chronologically from the first thing that happened until the most recent thing that happened. So if you take a look here at our example, you can see the title is Historical Periods. So over here on the left is the first thing that happened, or the first historical period. We have the Paleolithic period, which lasted from 3 million years ago until 10,000 BC. Okay, and then at the bottom here, you've got a little more information, as well as an image. So I'll point out that timelines, which you will create yourself, they can have images, okay, to give more information to the person that is looking at and interpreting that timeline. Okay. Now, of course, with this timeline over here on the right, we have the most recent thing that happened, the contemporary age, something that's still going on, of course, although this timeline seems to end at 2011. We know that the contemporary age is continuing. So, again, organized chronologically, okay, from the first thing that happened 3 million years ago in regards to human history or prehistory until the most recent era, the most recent thing that happened. Okay. Timelines do not always need to be horizontal. They can be vertical, okay, or they don't even need to be a straight line, really. So let's take a look at another example of a timeline here. Okay, as you can see, this timeline is about the evolution of humans from single cells until today. All right, and it is organized chronologically, although it's not a horizontal line, nor is it a single vertical line. Okay, it kind of goes up and down in this fashion. So if you go over here, the very first thing that happened, what do we have? Pre-cellular life based on RNA. Okay, I don't know the scientific details of all of this stuff, but I do know that this is a very interesting timeline, and it starts over here with the pre-cellular. I'll have to ask a John Red about that. Life based on RNA, and it ends over here with Homo sapiens, and of course we are Homo sapiens. Okay, and you can follow the timeline chronologically. It goes down first, then back up, then across, then down, up, across, down, and so on, until we reach the modern day humans. Okay. But I do want to point out, once again, when you create your own timelines, you do need a title. Okay, so elements of timelines: title, the line, of course, which indicates time chronologically. And then you have to have something indicating what happened during each period of time, and you can include images and extra information for your reader or viewer. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Thank you very much for listening.